Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a random position spawner in Unity. So let's just say you have some player and you have some rectangles that this player should spawn within, or not player, just anything. So in my case those are three rectangles like spawn zones, and this is my spawn manager. So what it does, it actually takes anything you specify in the inspector or within the code real time in the game. It can be used like for network games. So you specify anything and you specify some rectangles, in my case 3, and you execute this function. And what it does, it picks a random cube and it picks random location within like any of those cubes. Actually it's just an illusion, and I'm going to show you why in just 20 seconds or something. So this is the code. So this is our boolean for execute. Once we press it in the editor, you can use it not only in editor, you can use it in your game, just don't worry. This is just for this tutorial's sake. And what it does, it picks a random position within some rectangle, and rectangle position like local position. So this position has its limits. So from -half to +half on every axis, x, y, z. Actually you can go beyond like -0.67 blah blah blah, +0.67 blah blah blah, but this is going to be beyond this rectangle. This is the position for like x, y, z, like to be within this rectangle, not beyond. Then if this list has some elements, we pick random rectangle and we place our player or just anything we specify here within this cube, rectangle, into the random position within this cube. If we don't have this list, like it's empty or there is nothing in it, or it's not, or it's like it's not ready, we take the position within the cube, attach it to this object. In my case, let's just do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's just attach. I just move. Player manager. You see, it's working. So you can actually transform this script into multiplayer ready. It's really simple, but I'm not gonna show you in this video. So thanks for watching, have a good one, bye bye, and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting, or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.